much.
What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a test of E85 content. Now, sometimes when you go to your gas station, it says about what, 50 to 75 or 85% ethanol. You never know for sure until you do a test, right? Now, today we're going to be doing an E85 test. This is a E85 test kit that you can buy online from Amazon. This video is not sponsored, but want to see how much ethanol content your local gas station has? This is how you do it. Now in the box, the tester kit does come in a plastic tube. The tester itself is a glass container, so be careful if you do drop it, it is glass. Now, how to test is what we're going to do is fill up water in this section, and then we're going to fill up the other red section with E85. Now the kit does come with two syringes that you can use to put water and E85 into the container. Now to get started, we're going to need water, a cup, and your tester kit. And E85. When filling up water to the tester, make sure to fill up only up to the blue line. Next part is to fill up the red section with ethanol. After filling up with ethanol, close the cap and it's time to give the container a shake. After giving the tester a shake, you can now wait to see what your results are. Now with the results we got, it's about 70% ethanol at my local gas station. Um, my gas tank is about a 15.9, 15.8, give or take. Now we can calculate how much ethanol is required for me to reach my E30 goal. With 70% ethanol, I would be required to do about 5 gallons of ethanol and 11 gallons of 93, a total of 16 gallons and 28.8% of ethanol, or you could say E29, in order to reach my E30 goal. Now next time when you go pump E85 at your local gas station, you might want to question, what is your E85 ethanol percentage rating at? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.